It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Entertainment system with Blu-ray, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.